Hello guys, welcome to B2Demi community. Here you will learn everything there is to know about the betting industry. We have made it simple for our audience to obtain all the information about this cases in business. Let's get to the topic right away. This course will walk you through the entire gas agent system. Here you will learn how to obtain the system and run a great business. Now I will show how this gas system works. Here in the diagram, you will see the relationship between player and gas agent. First, the player will contact the agent through any means like WhatsApp, Telegram, or any social media. Then player will ask for deposit. Agent will either receive cash from player or provides his bank details to receive money. When player sends money and provides his gaming ID, then agent will top up in his gaming account. What agents will receiving for this? Well, they will receive commission on every deposit and withdrawal. They will be able to add sub-agents and earn from them. We will learn all this in upcoming chapters. Now let me tell you advantages for you by taking this course. You will learn everything regarding 1xBet cases system. You will be able to contact management team. You will be able to set up good business with 1xBet. You will save both your time and money from the scammers. So, how to buy our course? Here, simply register in our website, btudemy.com. Select course you want to buy. Proceed to checkout and pay via cryptocurrency. Write in support if you need any help with cryptocurrency. We will try our best to help you. Next lesson, we will discuss about the requirement for cash agent. Here in this lesson, we'll discuss the differences between master agent and sub agent. These are the types of cash agent. Master agent has more access than sub agent. Here we will differentiate one by one. Master agent will work on the company. Sub agent will work on the master agent. Master agent will be able to load more cash for himself and sub agent. Sub agent will not be able to load more cash. Master agent will maintain salary of sub agents. Sub agent will not have access to salary, but they will get the salary from master agent. Commission remains same as sub agent. Commission remains same as master agent. Master agent can take some charge from sub agent, but sub agent does not have such luxury. In this lesson, we'll discuss about commission structure of both kind of cash agents. Let's get into this one by one. Master agent earns 5% on deposit. Sub agent earns 5% on deposit. Master agent earns 2% on withdrawal. Sub agent earns 2% on withdrawal. Master agent can take some percentage from salary of sub agent for helping him. Sub agent has to accept the salary given by master agent, so we should choose good master agent. In next lesson, we will discuss about how to get this agency.